Hi, we are going to build an app for converting temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's go on and create a file. Main, main.java. Class. I'll create a class of main class, and inside it I'll create a main method class static void main string. Then ask. So let's start. First of all, the formula for converting Celsius to is F, that's Fahrenheit, is equal to, open a bracket, Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So that's for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit. Let's go for Fahrenheit to Celsius. That's C is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 divided by 9. So this is the formula. So now let's go on and build it. So first of all, we will ask the user if he or she wants to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit or from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So let's go on and ask the user. So system.out.println press 1 to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So press 2 to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So now let's take in the user inputs. First of all, we have to import scanner. Import java.util.scanner. So let's create scanner. And scroll to new scanner. System.in. This is to this whole code here is to create a reference for the scanner So now we will take in the user input. That's whatever the user chooses here, whether 1 or 2, we have to take in that input. So we will store that in a double. So double, okay, convert, let me make it convert is equal to scan dot next double. Okay, so I'll explain this. So this line of code means that whatever the user inputs, whether the user inputs 1 or 2, we are taking that into a variable called convert, and the scan dot next double is to translate to it that this is a double number. So if it was an int, then we also say next int. If it was a string, we will say next line. So that's it. Now we have received the user input. So let's go on and do the operation here, the calculation here. So let me make it convert here. So if convert is equal to 1, that means the user selected from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then we ask the user to input the temperature that he or she wants to convert. So Celsius. Double Celsius to Fahrenheit is equal to scan dot next double. So we are now getting the user input, the Celsius. So we are going to do the calculation. So double results, we are saving it in a result variable, is equal to. So here is the formula: Celsius times 9 divided by 5 plus 32. So we are going to use it here. Let's say the user has typed in the Celsius. So we will say Celsius, we will put it in a bracket, Celsius multiplied by 9 divided by 5. Then we add it to 32. So this is it. Let's print the results. System dot out dot print ln, then results. So let's now go to, if the user selects 2, which is to convert it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, else if convert is equal to 2, then let's copy this code and format it. So you then ask the user to enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. in Fahrenheit. Then let's make it Fahrenheit to Celsius. Fahrenheit to Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we change the calculation. It is Fahrenheit minus 32 times 9 divided by 5. So let's do it here. So Fahrenheit to Celsius minus 32. Actually, let me put that in a bracket. So minus 32 times 5 divided by 9, and print the results. Else, let's tell the user something. System dot out dot print ln. So we tell the user invalid. So now let's open our terminal. So I will compile the code. Okay, so it says we have an error on line 21. Let's go and check line 21. Where is the error? Okay. So refuse to type in Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so let's go and let me clear it and compile it again. Okay, we have no problem now. So let me run it. So it says press 1 to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, press 2 to convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I want to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I'll press 1. Enter the temperature in Celsius. Let me enter 35. Okay, now we have 95. The result is 95 Fahrenheit. Okay, let me actually do something here. The result is Fahrenheit, and so it will be clear. Okay, so 1, I'll press 1, then enter the temperature 39. Okay, good. We have 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit, 0.2 Fahrenheit. So let's do it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So I'll press 2 and type in the temperature 73. Okay, cool. We have 22.77777777 Celsius. Okay, so that's it. We made a simple temperature converter to convert temperature from degrees to from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and from Fahrenheit to Celsius.